Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you a very delicious but at the same time very easy recipe using elderberries. Elderberries will soon be in season by July to August, and you can make cough syrup or you can make jam, and in this case I will be making an elderberry compote. Let's begin with the recipe. For this recipe, you will require 500 grams of elderberries without stalks. Then you will require also quarter cup of lemon juice, but this we will be adding while cooking. Strips of 2 lemon zest, and then 1 split vanilla bean, or you can also use vanilla powder. I had only vanilla powder. Then you will need 1 stick of cinnamon and 250 grams of caster sugar. The prepping time for this is roughly 24 hours because we want to infuse all the flavor of the berries into this mixture. Lemon juice we will add while cooking the compote. Mix all the ingredients excluding the lemon juice and set it aside overnight, because if it is warm you can get some fruit flies. Cover it with a cling wrap and set it aside in the fridge. Cooking time is just 15 minutes, it's not longer than that. Cook the mixture with the lemon juice in a heavy bottom pot the next day. Bring the mixture to a boil and reduce the heat to low. Once it starts bubbling, pour it into prepared sterilized glass jars. While removing it, set it on a wooden board so that the jars don't crack. If you want to store this compote for a little bit longer, you can do water bath canning. Compote is different than the jam. You don't need to do a plate test, you just have to cook until the berries are soft. With this combination, the flavor is really delicious. The berries do have some small seeds in it, but if that doesn't bother you, this makes a nice topping for ice creams, mueslis, also for breads. I got only 1 small bottle in this, but I had made this a few times in the summer last year, and so I will be showing you the bottle which was already open. I will be including the recipe card with a link below in the description box. Take a look at my blog and subscribe to my blog. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.